in divorce, custody, and family law matters with offices in Nutley, Montclair, New Jersey. Today is my daily tip. It's being live presented on December 4th, yes, 2019. So if you're watching this on any other day or in any other state, you always need to make sure that the advice applies to you. Today's my daily tip, where I try to give you just a short piece of simple advice that comes up in a lot of my cases or with a lot of my clients and consults. Today's topic is actually a little more complicated than I typically do on a daily tip, and that is, will you be taxed on assets that you receive in a divorce? And it's really a complicated question, but I'm going to just summarize it and recommend that after this, if this still is an issue, that you contact an accountant or a tax attorney for further questions. But the simple answer is no. You won't be taxed on assets that you receive that are transferred to you in a divorce. So if there is a house and the deed is transferred to you, there's no tax consequence. If there's a retirement account and it's rolled over into your retirement account, you're not taxed on it. There's no taxes to a transfer as part of a divorce. Where it gets complicated is there will be taxes in a few circumstances, either depending on how you transfer the assets or later. So first, if you're transferring, one of my examples was if you're rolling over a retirement account, but that has to be rolled over into a tax-exempt retirement account. So if you're rolling over, for instance, an IRA into a non-IRA account, like if you're just rolling it over into a bank account, you're going to be taxed on that. You're also going to be taxed later, possibly when you remove or withdraw the funds from your retirement account, depending on the age and the type of retirement account you have. But there may be tax consequences to the removal or withdrawal of that. And later, when you sell assets, especially like a house or stock, you don't need to be concerned with an immediate tax consequence if you're in a divorce, but you do need to look at the long-term tax consequences to the assets that you're receiving. I hope the information helps you. If it does, please give it a like and share the video so others get to see it. You can message me on whatever platform you're watching and let me know of any questions or comments you have. I'll answer any that you have. If there's any suggestions for information you'd like me to cover, please send that also. Thank you. I'm going to sign off. I should be on tomorrow again, probably later. I know I keep changing the times, but I'm planning usually around 4 o'clock tomorrow, but I'll post in the morning. Thanks.